Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today we're going to talk about spinach. I'm going to let you guys know how I grow spinach and how we're getting rich, green, beautiful, healthy leaf like this. Spinach is a super green superfood. You want to make sure this plant is rich and green like this. If it's not this green, it's not that healthy and it's not going to be that tasty. Spinach is easy and fast to grow. Anyone could grow spinach. And in this video, we're going to go through real quick. Don't forget, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free, and every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. Join in Green Tea Garden. Spinach could plant in ground directly or either in a seeding trays. And what I like to do, I go about quarter to half an inch deep like that, and then I cover it up. I space them out between 4 to 5 inches. You could even go 3, but you got to make sure your harvest on time. Over a week, this is how the spinach seedling's gonna look. You could transplant them now, or you could wait till they're bigger before you transplant. Make sure to transplant in the evening time when the sun is cool and it's not too hot. Your spinach leaves between 3 to 6 inches. This leaf is over that. This is not good. Avoid this mistake to leave your spinach this big. It wastes more time and energy to focus on this big leaf, which we could harvest a couple days ago, and the plant would have used more energy to the smaller one and grown that faster, giving us a faster harvest. Now, when harvest spinach, do not pull out your plant. Do not cut the whole plant. Remove the bigger leaves. I would normally remove 3/4 of the plant and leave back quarter. And all you have to do is get a scissors, and we come all the way around here. And look at this. Wow, look at this beautiful, gorgeous leaf. I'm going to show you my fertilizer, what I add and how I add it. If we're not using compost, but what do? We take our time. Listen, it's a little bit more work to go around and harvest the outer one, but your plant will grow back faster this way. So we're removing all the bigger leaves, so the plant now is not focusing no energy to the bigger leaves. Now we're gonna get all the energy go to the smaller one. Come back 4 to 6 days, these leaves, we're gonna ready to harvest and eat spinach again. Eat your spinach raw. There's no need to cook it. You could also blend it in smoothies, which I do. I normally wash them and then I freeze them in a Ziploc bag right away. This way, throughout the whole week, I use them in my smoothies. You could also stir fry them up with some eggs or even chicken breast, which is my favorite. This is only 2 plants, and you can see we have a whole handful. And this is what I left back. I left back with a bunch of leaves right away. We have like a 1 medium here and some smaller one, and then a bunch of small one, which is gonna grow within days. This is a 3-gallon container, and I'm gonna use garden tone and blood meal. This is what I do, and trust me, I just take a little bit right here and I sprinkle all the way to the end of the container. Sprinkle lightly because it's only 2 plant and it's a small container, so we don't need to go crazy. If you have a big container you're doing in ground, just read the instruction in the back. But I'm just going to tell you what I do. I add some of that. At least every 3 weeks, I normally do this. This is increasing the fertilizer, feeding the plant, keeping the plant very healthy. What you could also do is like mix it into the soil, like that right there. You could always add new soil to freshen it up too. Water every 3 to 4 days and keep your plant nice and moist, but do not overwater. I do not go too crazy when I'm watering my spinach plant, especially springtime. The sun is not that hot, so the plant is not going to get, dehydrated too fast. Unless if you have a small container and you have like crowded plants, then they're going to use up and absorb most water, which you're going to have to water, at least every 2 days. If I come back the next 5 to 6 days, I'm going to be ready to harvest spinach. I'm even growing in my broken cup. It takes about at least 6 to 7 weeks when started from seed. It grows really fast. Growing early spring into all the way to spring into summer. As soon as it hit over like 73, 75 degrees, most of your spinach plant will bolt. And when it bolts, it actually grow into flowers. If you want, leave the flowers will produce seeds, so you could get back seeds for next season. So this way will save a lot of money. You don't have to buy back seed. So a quick recap: water every 3 to 4 days, add fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Get in some all-purpose fertilizer, sprinkle a little bit extra of blood meal, which is increasing the nitrogen, which the spinach love. And then harvest on time every 3 to 6 inches. Don't wait till it get too big. It's kind of windy and a storm is going on out here, but Green Tea Garden is holding on. I gotta tell you, Long Island, New York, it's crazy in here. It's crazy. The temperature's crazy. I think tonight we're gonna be actually going all the way to 29 degrees. I don't know what I'm gonna do outside. I have to cover some of my plants because I did brought out some plants. Then one of my other garden, a bunch of bunnies, I'm guessing, hop up on the bed and eat out all of my plants. So I lost at least about 20-30 plants already, seedlings, basically already, and garden season didn't start. But A lot of people will be stressed out about it. Me, I don't stress out about it. I get used to this thing. When you're growing organic and natural, you're gonna get bugs, you're gonna get rabbits, you're gonna get deers, you're gonna get insects and bugs and birds and every single thing. So this is why you have to cater to always plant extra or either start reseeding right away. Don't stress it. I'm not gonna stress it. Why am I gonna stress it? What? Plants are getting eaten out. That's nothing new here. Plants are being broken by the wind out here. It's nothing here, all right? For the fertilizer and the spinach that I use, check in the description box below. I'm gonna leave the links always in my description box. I always add a bunch of stuff that directly to the Amazon or the company. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. And thank you to everyone who's been joining my channel. We are growing. We're reaching more people. We're helping more people.